In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your Google Calendar from Otter.ai. This process is quite straightforward and will take us just a few minutes to complete. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Otter.ai website. You can do this by typing in the URL bar and pressing enter, or simply searching for Otter.ai in your preferred search engine. Once you are there, the main page will load, and at the top right corner you'll see the login button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you'll be presented with different options to sign in. Choose your preferred method. You might want to use your email and password, or opt for a quicker route using a social media account like Google. Select the option that you commonly use to access your Otter.ai account. After logging in, you will be directed to the homepage of your Otter.ai account. Here, your profile icon is located on the top left side of the screen. Next to your profile picture, there is a small arrow indicating a drop-down menu. Click on that arrow to reveal additional options and choose Account Settings from the list. This will lead you directly to your account settings page. Once you're in your account settings, look for the section labeled Integrations. This is where you manage all the applications connected to your Otter.ai, including Google Calendar. Click on the integrations to see all your connected apps. You may need to scroll down slightly depending on your screen size and settings to find the exact section. Within the Integrations section, there will be a list of applications connected to your Otter.ai account. Find Google Calendar on this list. There should be an option directly next to it that says Disconnect. Simply click on this and a prompt will likely appear asking for confirmation. Go ahead and confirm your selection to successfully disconnect Google Calendar from Otter.ai. Once you've disconnected, return to your homepage by clicking the Otter.ai logo or using the navigation options provided. Now, if you check the calendar option located at the top right of the screen, you'll notice that Google Calendar has been successfully removed from your Otter.ai integrations. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step on how to disconnect your Google Calendar from Otter.ai. With this disconnection, your activities in Otter.ai will no longer sync with your Google Calendar, allowing you to manage these tools separately as per your need. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Have a great day!